Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again. Today's date is September the 25th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. Now along with the Super Scalper, that's this yellow and blue moving average, I also put the Super Signal Indicator. That's the ones with the arrows here. They each give an audio alert and a pop-up box, as you see right here. Scalper, and the other one is for the Super Signal Indicator. Now this Super Signal really helps a lot in finding the up and down cycles within the market. It's also great for traders who love to scalp the markets on a 5-minute time frame. So in theory, you actually have two excellent indicators for you traders who love to scalp the markets. Works great on the MT4 platform, not the MT5. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is. I'm looking at all the different instruments and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. You gotta have some kind of a daily trade plan. And once I figure out if I'm going to be buying and or selling, well, I manually put this white arrow in just to remind me I want to be selling, hopefully at the appropriate time. Now here is my daily trade plan, EA. It's running in real time. As you can clearly see, most of the instruments are bearish. If you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a very good reason why you are struggling. Now, if you have any questions regarding this EA, well, just Skype me. Okay, now we can get into these trades that I did this morning. Took all the trades between 6:30 and 7:30, it looks like, and I closed them all out just a little after 9. So for just 1.5 to 2.5 hours approximately, I am done trading for the day, and it is only 9:30 in the morning as I am doing this video. So on this first trade, and I'm just taking a look right here, I noticed that every one of these I sold. So the market is definitely moving down on this day. So I took the trade at this cursor right here. And I closed it out at this cursor, just being happy. Now, as a general rule, I just look at the totals, and when I know that I have 200 or more pips and ticks, well, that makes me happy, and then I just close out the trades and done trading for the day. So it looks like I locked in 17 pips here, and those 17 pips paid out $101. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 13 ticks. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here is the arrow from the daily trade plan. Got arrows, red arrows, super signal saying going down. So I took the trade at this cursor. And like I said, should be 13, and there it is. 13 ticks, and that paid out $130. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one, I sold it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. By the way, all the previous trades, they all did qualify for a great way to trade. Comes with a very high success rate. Once you see that it qualifies for a great way to trade. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out being happy with, again, looks like about 17 pips, and that paid out $133. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Probably this is what I'll call this video, a great way to trade. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right at this cursor here, and I closed it out at this point. Looks like with about 22 pips, and those pips paid $163. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Dollar. Now on the Euro Dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because of the USDs on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in at. Went sideways for a bit. We had sell signal here and back here. Daily trade plan said to sell. So that's where I got in at. Looking at the money, it should be 23. There it is right there, 23 pips, and that paid out $230. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, I took the money actually and divided by 5. Calculator says it's 81. So let's see where I got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Got in at this cursor, close it out here. Locking in, as you can see, 81 ticks, and that paid out $405. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 46. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Glad I closed out the trade because market's doing a pullback right at this point in time. So I took the trade at this cursor, closing it out. Should be 46, and there it is right there, 46 ticks. That paid out $460. Remember, you have to have trade management in order, because if you're not paying attention, you would go from a winner to a loser. So trade management is very important. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. And looking at the money, well, what I did was took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 115 ticks. So, had the alert right here from the super signal, daily trade plan. Charts qualified for a great way to trade. Well, it's a no-brainer. Sell. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade the markets. What did I say? It should be 115. 114, 116. Anyhow, it's 115 ticks. And that paid out $575. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Glad I closed out the trade. Remember, trade management. If I wasn't paying attention, I'd be losing right now. So I took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's 40.4. We won't worry about the 0.4. So let's see if we can find that 40 here. There it is right there. Soon my mouse is acting up a bit. I think I need a battery. Anyhow, it's 40 ticks, and that paid out $808. So another great day of trading using my super scalper along with the daily trade plan. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. The grand total came to 374 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,006. So if your system's not producing like the Super Scalper system, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or you want to buy, quite simple, all you got to do is look right below this video. So let's say this is the video. Well, it's quite simple. All you have to do is look right below the video. You'll see this banner right here that's being highlighted. All you got to do is click anywhere on it. It'll open up another window and you'll get a lot of information. Now what I really do prefer is to be talking live on Skype, so I made it easy for you even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer, cell phone, or a tablet, you have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have a Skype connection. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and of course you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you more than likely will still struggle, as you will have some questions that need answering. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now there's 4 different packages. I recommend you getting all 4. I do charge $250 for each package. Do have a special offer though. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. No matter what you buy off of me, I'll include a free Skype session on, how to trade the system, and I'll answer your questions. I do have another special offer that if you buy package 1 or 2 or 3 for $50 more, so it'll be $300, I'll give you the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. So anyhow, as we're scrolling down, show you each package and all the different things that I teach on how to trade the markets. This package has 24 training videos up to approximately 30 minutes long, except for the 2 bonus videos that I added. So, moving right along, how I trade live, advanced trading tips. I added 2 more videos in here. Used to be 20, now there's 22. The last 2 videos, jam-packed with many trading tips. Each of those last 2 bonus videos is about 40 minutes long each. As we're scrolling down, here's the daily trade plan. EA has 4 training videos. And of course, the Easy Trader system. I just did 2 more bonus videos. Each one of the bonus videos is about 40 minutes long each. Jam-packed with a lot of trading tips. And one of them is called How to Backtest Any System with the Super Signal Indicator. So anyhow, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Now you can also send me an email. Here is my email address. I wanted to mention that it does take me many hours to put these videos together, up to 2 weeks. And due to the fact that I don't want to work for free, well, once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. So please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.